Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: moonroof, tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.